to the Anna Sports Complex field where they have the track, the softball, baseball, and soccer. This is not Botkins. This is a football field. Unlike Botkins, Anna has a football field, which is like Botkins soccer field. They love the football here. About this track and field, what makes it unique is there's train tracks right by it. You can probably see a train right there. And when you're doing like a running event or something, and then a train just like blows straight past you, it's pretty neat. I think it was what makes a place like this unique, and I think they did a pretty good job. I'm pretty sure that all of this was funded by Honda. I don't know how a small town like this would afford such a nice complex. I'm just gonna call it a complex. I'm sure there's a name for it. One of the things that I admire about this whole park is they got like exercise equipment here, which is pretty neat. Like, I wanted to move here only for the fact that they have this like neat track here. You know, you can work out. They got like a push-up bench over there. They got like it looks like a balance thing, but they got like a one big circuit around here. It's actually pretty cool. All the stuff that they have. I would love to move here just so I could work out at this one spot. Across the street there's Family Dollar. It's pretty new. Like, this Anna's like rapidly growing, and I think it's a pretty big town one day. There's a few auto shops in town. I think 2 of them for mainly semi trucks and like fire trucks and whatnot. But this one right here, Hoying Service, went there a few times. Awesome people, good workers, reasonable prices, and they worked with me on a few things, and awesome place. Go there. I can't talk enough about how Anna is like rapidly growing. Last year they built this new mall here. I was hoping to be like cool stuff, you know, like shops, you know, places that I would want to go, or you know, new food places, but instead we got Anna Family Eye billing services, insurance companies, and dropping apples. 10K. Is this all one? Tossums, Adams Tech Solutions, 10K, Men's Apparel, dropping out. Is this all one store? Charles Brothers is like a super company. They do like everything. Anything that involves building, concrete, electrical, heating, air. It's like one of those crazy companies just does it all. It's like I admire their business plan of everything that they do. It amazes me that they can find everyone that you would need for like. They could build an entire building with just their employees, which is insane, because usually you have to hire like a few different companies to work on one single building, but this one just does it all, which is pretty cool in my opinion. This is Anna's development area for new homes that are being built. It's actually a pretty street. I'd live here. It's got the highway over here, but they got this sweet town to cover all the noise from the interstate, and it's actually on the way from the Honda plant. So if you're like a rich Honda employee, like, this would be a perfect spot. I realize that a lot of things I'm saying about Anna is good. Makes me realize that I actually don't have a lot of negative things to say about Anna. It's actually pretty good, okay town. I mean, it was able to grow extremely fast because of the Honda, and you know, that's not a bad thing, and I think they're doing it all in the right ways. Things that brings a lot of teenagers to this town is this CV shop called Moving On Electronics, I think I can read from here. It's not only like a CV shop. If you're into like stereo systems, they have it. They giant speakers, subwoofers. You want to make your car kick, this is the place you go. They actually got like some awesome deals on subwoofers, and they'll like even help you install it, which is cool. But one thing that I would like to say about this place is, though, it's right beside this truck stop right here, and what a lot of people mess up, they park here like this guy. This is private property. I see cops pulling trucks over here all the time because they think they're doing something bad. like 3 blocks of like excellent lights and sidewalks. It's like all brand new, well maintained. What bothers me is that they're like focused on this one part of town and making it look deluxe. I don't know who they're trying to impress. I mean, if you wanted to impress people that would come through your town, you think you would do it where the most of the traffic would be, but this is like a low traffic area that I don't know why they're like prettying up this part of the street. It could be like that they're restoring these buildings right here and reusing them. By the way, this is the police station. Everyday IGA. This has been here like forever, as long as I can remember. Every time I go to Lake Loramie, you know, from the interstate, this is like the perfect place to stop by and get whatever random food for camping. It's your average general store. It's pretty cool. It's been here a long time. So it has a place beside this ice cream store. It's been open for a few years. Every time I drive by here, there's like a lot of people here. You gotta say they're pretty good at what they do. It's cool. It's like right by the track. The track's like right here. Don't pull me over. I'm innocent.